You can do it so
hard. It's like Jenga.
Would you have it and then with his nose meaning on top of this one's head?
Could the penguins be down lower?
Yeah. I don't know if they're. I feel like they're better for standing on top.
Eggheads are not helping anything. But their noses are good for stabilization.
Yeah. Or maybe this way. Zoo cheerleading. Barnyard and zoo.
Pigs could be in a zoo if they wanted to. How do you know they're not wild pigs?
Yeah, no pig discrimination.
You pig.
Pigs at zoos and
Boars. They're
bears.
called boars.
The fact that they're sticky really helps.
Yeah, you do watch it.
Berkeley is on a fault line though. Wow, they're actually pretty stable.
It's crazy.
Look at the video taping this.